Hi, well, it's time for another project. Um, I was building the Nilte Jacoba ship model. I'll just show it to you. It's over here. And I thought, well, I'm kind of tired of it. I'm gonna take a break and meanwhile build something else. Well, as it happens, I have a lot of wooden strips laying around. Oh, I'll just show you as well. I cleaned them up. They are um, in there. See, so it's a great mix of veneer, some wooden strips, some dowels, all bits and pieces I collected over the years. And I'd like to put them somewhere where I can sort them a little bit. It's it's a little bit messy this way. Also, I have space for some furniture, so I thought, well, let's make something myself. So I decided to make a chest of drawers. I looked it up. That's apparently the English term. And I'm gonna do it as usual on a budget and with stuff that I already have laying around. The last bit's maybe not completely true. I know I don't have everything laying around, but I do have some stuff laying around and I'd like to use it. So first bit I have laying around already is this. See, it's a panel of wood. Let's just look at the English translation, what type of wood it is. Oh, I have no idea, it says in Dutch and in French. So it's not oak, it's a bit pinky. It's very common, so a lot of furniture has it. I have 3 of these panels still laying around, and I bought a 4th one. So they are going to be the frame of the chest. And I'm going to make a lot of drawers in it. So now for storing these pieces of wood, I only need a little bit of height for the drawer, so maybe 3 or 4 centimeters. That's about enough. I have space for about a meter high, so now with 4 centimeters in height I could make up to 25 drawers, and that's a lot of storage space. Probably I don't need it all, so I'm gonna fill it up from the top, make maybe, I don't know, 5-6 drawers, and then see what I have left. Maybe I'll also store some other stuff in it, like little cans of paint or some drills I have, or I have some electronics equipment also that I'd like to put somewhere. So I don't know yet. I'm gonna just do what I feel like in the process. So with every project I do, I try to set some goals for myself, just to learn new stuff. And I've been experimenting with joining wood for a while. I made one cupboard before for books. Tried, I think they're called half joints. And also trying dovetail joints. So now I'm going to try another type. I don't know the English translation, but it's like where you have a couple of teeth and they grip together. I'll just show you a picture when I've made and then it'll be clear. So I'm gonna try that first on all 4 corners of the chest of drawers, and then I'm going to continue with making the drawers. Well, I think I'll just do that first, and I'll show you when it's finished, what I've done, and hope it's gonna work out. And then when the frame is done, I'll show you how I'm gonna make the drawers, because I'm actually not completely sure myself. I have a sort of idea. So I'm gonna build a prototype first, put that in, see how it slides, and then decide how to push on. So, okay, it's time to get to work. Oh, also, I hope that my English pronunciation is good enough that I don't have to make the subtitles for myself. That's really an annoying job. So this is a test. If I don't speak loudly or clearly enough, probably the subtitle generator on YouTube is going to give wrong translations, and I have to do it anyway. Also a nice test. Alright, see you later.